Here's how to add music to your videos using your phone. Before we get started, here are 10 places to find copyright-free music. I personally use Epidemic Sound, and they have this cool mobile app that you could use to save all your sound effects and music. Here's a playlist that I created for my social media videos, and all I have to now do is just save that to my files. I'm gonna choose this song, download and export, and then save it to my files. Now go get InShot. This is a free app that you can use for video editing. And now open and bring in your video and then click on music. Now click add music. They have this import option that you could use to bring in your song that you just got on your files. So I'm gonna bring that in and then just select the song. And then once you bring it in, just click music and then hit OK. And now you can use that song on your videos inside of InShot. If you have a voiceover, you want to decrease the sound of the actual audio, just click on this volume button and then you can adjust the volume of that song. And that's pretty much it. That's how I do that. If you're curious about my voiceovers, I go to InShot, click on music, and then there's this option where you can record your own voice. So that's basically what I use to do voiceover tutorial videos just like this one. Once you're happy with your video, click on export and then select the resolution and frame rate, download it and share it on TikTok or any other social media platform.